Have you been to Jesus for the cleansing power? Are you washed in the blood of the Lamb? Are you fully trusting in His graces? Are you washed in the blood of the Lamb? Are you washed in the blood, in the soul cleansing blood of the Lamb? Are your garments spotless? Are they white as snow? Are you washed in the blood of the Lamb? Lay aside the garments that are stained with sin and be washed in the blood of the Lamb.
Wako vizuri tena zaidi. Anaitangulia, anatunga gitaa, mambo yanakuwa vizuri kabisa.
In the blood, in the soul cleansing blood of the Lamb. Are your garments spotless? Are they white as snow? Are you washed in the blood of the Lamb? Some glad morning when this life is over, I'll fly away to a home on God's celestial shore. I'll fly away.
Come on, unajua wimbo unaimba.
I'll fly away, oh glory. I'll fly away. Yeah, when I die, hallelujah, by and by.
Tip cowboy, I will fly away. Yes.
Yeah, just a few more weary days and then I'll fly away to a land where joy shall never end. I'll fly away. Yeah.
I'll fly away.
When I die, hallelujah, by and by, I'll fly away. Or when I die, hallelujah, by and by, I'll fly.
Do that for us. Thank you so very much.
MC.
Yes.
Hata kama ujui wimbo, unaenda tu unamalizia away.
Thank you so very much.
And we love that team.
You will love or you love that team.
I love that team.
Thank you so very much.
We want to proceed to the next program.
Please.
And I want to invite our choristers to come along so that tuimbe wimbo wa sifa.
Yes.
Choristers, where are you? Those are our lovely choristers. Wako wapi?
As they get ready.
Right.
What do we have online?
Wameongea sana.
Wameongea sana.
Wacha tuwaache kwa sasa tukileta ma choristers. Our choristers, where are you?
They are getting ready, I hope, so that we can go to the next